welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover the attack of spider mite. And this spider mite is a very tiny pest which can easily wreak havoc your indoor and outdoor garden even unnoticed. So let me first explain you what exactly the spider mite looks like. Spider mite is classified under the arachnid. Yeah, it is the family of the scorpion and spider. They look a little reddish brown. You can see here. Let me show how the spider might look like. They are very tiny, and the adult one look very reddish brown, and they have the tendency to build the web around. So they are very much prolific, and which is why heavy infestation often build up unnoticed. Even they grow up so fast, plant is damaged even before you realize that there is an attack of spider mite. This spider mite, and if you leave it for a couple of days or a week, then your complete leaf will be dry. You can see the complete leaf is dry. There is a heavy attack of this spider mite. They suck complete fluid, and over the time this leaf will fall down. So this is the typical attack of the spider mite. You can see these are the spider mite, and today we will show you how we can control this spider mite in very fast, in 24 hours. And this plant recovery generally take around 15 to 20 days, because what happened, because all the leaves are dry, almost dead. So recovery is very slow, but definitely your plant will survive. We will show you after 15 to 20 days how the plant has survived, how the new buds started coming out. Organic Agri India has one product. We call it OGD 21. This product is very effective against all the minor attack like aphid, all kind of mites, and even one of the spider mite. It is very effective. This pesticide having two products. This is having one is this herbal pesticide, and this is in the powder form that we need to mix. Even the another product is this herbal oil, and is the this herbal oil again is the part of 21, and we make the solution of this oil, herbal powder and water, and we will spray on these affected plant. And I'll show you how we can prepare this solution and how we spray. Now friend, let me explain you how we prepare the solution of this OGD 21. I already explained you that there are two parts. One is the powder and second one is the oil. First we take 3 grams of this herbal powder to mix in 1 liter of water. I have already taken 1 liter of water. This is the marking of 1 liter. So I have already taken 1 liter of the water. I will now take 3 grams of this herbal powder. Let me open this first. I will take, this is that spoon for 3 grams. I will take 3 grams of this herbal powder. Let me put in this. And this is very important for you guys, that first we should not mix the oil first. It is very important to mix the herbal first and make a soapy solution. If we mix the oil first and then herbal, then it won't work. So we have to take extra precaution that first we are mixing the herbs with this water, and let me mix it properly to make a soapy solution. It is very important for us to mix the herb first, then oil. Water, herb, herbal powder, and then oil. Then it will work fantastic. Now let me take 10 ml of this herbal oil. This is the herbal oil, and now I'm going to take 10 ml of herbal oil. This is the 10 ml of the herbal oil. I am mixing with the solution. Now mix it properly. One thing is very important for us: when we prepare the solution of this herb and oil, we should make sure that it has been used within the 8 hours. Otherwise, if we are using this solution after 8 hours, then it won't work. The effectiveness will decrease drastically. So we all the time recommend, use, if you prepare the solution, you use it, or else you want to use it later, but make sure that it has been used within 8 hours to have the perfect effectiveness in your plant. Now this solution is ready. This is OGD 21, completely ready. And now, so now we can spray this. This is completely ready. Now we are ready to spray. We can spray it gently and make sure that we spray throughout the plant. Otherwise, this this spider mite having 3 stages, like they are first they lay egg, then larva, and then the adult form. And if we break this reproductive cycle of the spider mite, then we can easily control. So you can see that I'm spraying, all that waves are already destroyed, and it works very fantastic, my dear friends. So now we have to break their reproductive cycle. We have to kill all the like eggs as well as larva and adult one. So by this spray, in the single spray, all the adult will die. But what happened, like some of the eggs and larva may survive. So we generally recommend all the gardeners to use it 3 times, 3 doses in the interval of 3 to 4 days. Now I sprayed properly. You can see it is very herbal, very effective. It is completely, all the spiders are already gone, and they will not survive, my dear friend. They will not survive. It's very effective, very effective. Spray in next 4 days again, then this plant will be secured 100%. And even you can wait and watch. You can see, if you can spray and leave it, and you wait. If it is a spider attack again, that larva is converted into the adult one, then you go for the second spray as well. So it is as and when you can spray this. And now I will show you the result, what happened after 20 days, how this plant has recovered after 20 days, and you will be very surprised seeing this result. This is the result of OGD 21. You can see the new birds are started coming out, and these leaves which was completely damaged on that time, it took 20 days to get recovered. All this now you can see the top, it is recovered, and new birds are started coming, even new leaves are coming out. So it is very effective against all the spider mite attack. You can see the result. There is no spider mite at all. There is nothing. It is completely recovered. This is healthy, my dear friend. So this is how our OGD 21 works against spider mite and all sucking pest. Thank you very much.